Hi guys, here we have a low budget do-it-yourself spot welding device bought from the internet. I have made some soldering. This capacitor should be soldered, but it's very easy to do it because there is an indication for the polarity, and also the buzzer should be soldered. It is very easy to do it. I have used the provided cables and spot welding pens provided with this device, and actually this is a little bit different from the one advertised on the selling page, but I can see that it is version 5.6. So on the selling page the specification says that it has 4 different modes of operation and 1 manual, but this one has 5 modes of operation and not a manual mode. It doesn't provide a manual mode. So let's see how it works. I will use a Lipo Battery 5200 milliampere hours at 50C. That is according the specification to make it operate the right way. So let's connect it. As you can see, when you connect this one, it goes at mode 1 stage, and we have a steady green LED. Close to the LED there is a button to select the different modes. So if I press once again, I have 2 beeps, so I think this is an indication that we are in mode 2. 3 beeps, mode 3, 4 beeps, mode 4, 5 beeps, mode 5. And if I press again, the green lights, the green LED goes off. So there is a nickel strip also provided together with the device, and we will use an old battery to test the device. So let's see what happens when we select mode 1. So you have to press the welding pens together, but not very strong. Okay, so I have 2 spots. So I think it's very, you can see that it is disconnected very easily. So let's go to mode 2. Okay, Once again, I put the welding pen. Okay, I have 1 and 2. Let's see what happens now. It is really stronger, but you can disconnect it using some more power. Let's see mode 3. Okay, at mode 3, okay, once again, let's see. Okay, it is a little bit stronger now. It was more difficult to disconnect it. Let's try mode 4. Okay, 1, 2. Let's see now. Oh, okay, that was the problem. At mode 4, I see that I cannot. I have to use a lot of strength. Oh, a lot of strength to disconnect it, and I think I will use a tool to disconnect it. Okay, it was more easy with the tool. So let's see if I use mode 5. So we have to be careful. There's no need to push very hard. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's see. Yes, I have a very good connection now. It is strong enough to keep the batteries together, and I think it's a safe spot welding. So yes, okay, I believe it is a good spot welding for the money. The cost is less than 15 euros, and it is very small and handy. Thank you very much. See you next time, guys.